Do you play any racket sports? Tennis, squash, badminton, and even pickleball. Have you ever played these sports and had pain in your elbow on the outside of the arm? This is commonly known as tennis elbow, and it is very common with racket sports. It can leave you with pain and tightness in the outside of the arm, and it can make things difficult to lift. So even that cup of tea to a kettle, and even just working with your hands, working at keyboards. These are things that tennis elbow affects. Now, if you are one of those people that has tennis elbow, then today I'm going to teach you 2 exercises that you can do that will help with that tennis elbow pain. Now, I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and you are watching the 10X Physio channel. So stay tuned and let's get into the exercises. Okay, so let's just look at a stretch for the elbow. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to bring my arm out straight in front. Okay, my palm is facing down to the ground. And then what we're going to do is we're going to let that wrist bend down. You can use your other hand there to apply a little bit of pressure down, so just to increase the stretch. The elbow stays straight. So if I show you that now from the side, so if I move to the side here, elbow is straight, we're bending that wrist, and we're using this other hand to gently just increase that stretch, and that increases the stretch at this outside part of the forearm. You may also feel this just down through the forearm and over the wrist. That's where these muscles and the tendons travel over. So that is the stretch that we want to do for tennis elbow. You want to do 3 to 5 of those twice a day and hold the stretch for 8 to 10 seconds. So that's the stretch, and then we're going to move on to a little bit of strength. Now, this next exercise is an eccentric strength exercise. So for this exercise, you're going to need a small weight, whether it be like a can of beans. I have a 500 ml water bottle here. You could use a 1 kilogram or 2 kilogram weight. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the little bit of weight into our sore arm. We're going to let our forearm rest onto a table. Okay, so you'll see I've turned my weight here. So from here, what we're doing is we're lifting the wrist up into this extended position, and then we slowly let that come down. So somewhere between a count of 5 to 8. Okay, then we lift up. So we lift up quick, and then we lower slowly. So that count of 5 to 8. We lift up again, quick, then down slowly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift up again, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we're going to do that exercise 8 times, and we want to do that for 3 sets. And you can do that once a day. So what it does, it actually helps to elongate and stretch the tendon at the elbow, but what it's also doing is strengthening. And the research that has gone into the exercise shows that this exercise is very effective to help treat a tennis elbow. So there you have it. There's our 2 most important exercises that we give to people when they have a tennis elbow and problems playing their sport and problems lifting tea, coffee, kettles. So if you like what you have seen today, please like this video, share it with your friends, share it with all your sports friends, all the people who you play tennis with, or people who you play pickleball with. This is going to be an excellent exercise for them. And again, also, please subscribe to the channel. You'll get notified of all our videos on a weekly basis as we send them out. Remember, these exercises and all the information is there to help improve your health by up to 10 times. So, I'm Gavin Noble from Gavin Noble Physiotherapy here in Lisburn, and you have been watching the 10X Physio channel.